So hi guys, for my final Bofi video here at Bacolod, I'm gonna take you to Aboy's restaurant in Golden Fields, Bacolod City, because we're gonna have lunch here before flying back to Cebu. So what's Aboy's? Aboy's like serving of course grilled seafood. Oh yeah, it's like Palapala still, but they have fresh seafood. But they also have really a lot of choices like Karenderia type of food. But they also have clam soup, pain sinigang, bulalo, sinigang, rellenong kasag, TBL again, pork sisig, lumpiang gulay, pasayan, chichar bulaklak, talong sinugba, ready shrimp, crispy pata, chichar bulaklak, fish lumpia, and also they have ready made food like pinakbet, patay, batikulon. This one's curious, ginataang pagi, of course, pagi. Like stingray, paksiw na hito, caldereta, lechon paksiw, panghang. And this is one of the most popular dishes, the Squid Fats. This is like the Karenderia Explorer again. Boat crosser. So they are quite popular. See, it's almost lunchtime. We're almost full, and I see more cars coming. They have desserts as well, and stingless bees, honey, of course, they have pork chops, squid fats. They have frozen pasalubong, so they're also known for that. They have Bicol Express, caldereta. Interesting place. So we're staying in we have private rooms as well. So yeah, we're going there. They serve a room at their private area. Like that. So wow. So the team is like native. And we're gonna have lunch. Some money. So we ordered food already. We have prawn, rhino panghos, scallops, and yes. And by the way, this lunch again is brought to you by there is Squid Fats. Yeah. So curious ko ana. So finally, thanks to. So I'm using, by the way, the Nokia 6.1 Plus, now available in the market for pre-orders. And if you pre-order from the 12 to 26, if you're one of the first 1,000, you get a 1,000 peso plane voucher from Philippine Airlines. Sino promote na. Yes, but yeah, these are the guys, the PR guys of HNP Global. Look for them. No, they don't give free pods, very bad. So yeah, that's our lunch here at Aboy's. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching my Bacolod Bothi adventures. And I hope to see you in my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And sige, lag lang ba eh. Let's continue eating and supporting local businesses. Bye-bye.